So hi Superjoin team. Recently I got assignment that the real-time data sync between Google Sheet and database. So for that I have a Google Sheet, and here is a my SQL database. In that I have created a database Superjoin. In that I have created a table, and in this table I have these columns. So I have created a program for so I have created program for this. So let me start my server. So a server is started on port 3000. So you can see that there is now no data present in the table which is present in the Google Sheet. But if I go to this URL, let me refresh it. So yeah, now the URL perform the operation that it will save the data from the Google Sheet to database. And let if I refresh it, then we can see that all the data from the Google Sheet is arrived to this database. So if I change anything, let's see, like instead of YouTube I write here is video, or English, instead of English I write it science. And in this we can see freshman, expert. I let me write it expert. So yeah, and the database is, and the server is running. And let's see, yeah, you can see the value is changed. Here is video, here is science, and one more thing we have changed is expert. Yeah, here is expert. So yeah, creating data and real time sync is working fine, because it is updating data from sheet to database. For that I have created a app script app script of it, and it and create also triggers for that. But if if I want to send data from MySQL to Google Sheet, then let's see how we can do this. So yeah, I will only do it, and let's go. So yeah, so data is inserted in this table. Now let's check in this. Wow, data is not arrived here because I am facing some problem here. But one thing is working. If I do like this, if I manually send the data to this URL of the Google Sheet, then it is working fine. Let's check. You can see now there is no row present here. Now let me do it. Yeah, data is sent. Now if I refresh, then the John Doe, and it is arrived to here. Now let's check in our database, is it arrived here? Now let me refresh it. Then all the data will be arrived into the DB. All the data will be saved in the database. Yeah, it's saved. One more thing, let's see that if we perform delete operation, then if it working or not. If I delete this cell, now let's see. Yeah, let's check in our database. Yeah, the cell is deleted. Now for example, if I want to add a new row, so let's see. Mohit, male, junior, and MP, English, and YouTube, camera. Now let's check is it working or not. Now let's check in our database. Yeah, the new row is added and everything is updated. Thank you.